Good morning everyone. Myself Sangavi. Now we are discussing about joins. Joins means to retrieve the data from two tables. Two tables means it's related. It's called joins. Joins are four types. Inner join, right join, left join, full join. Now inner join means it will be written the all records from table 1 and table 2 or left table or right table. Syntax for inner class. First we select column name from table. Two tables are inner join and where condition we use, where table column name equals to table to column. This is the inner class. Right join means it will be returns all the right table and matched from the left table. Syntax for right join. Here we are using right join. Next, left join means it will be written the all records from left join and matched from the right join. Syntax for left join. Now select column name from table 1 left join and left 2 where condition we use, where table column name equals to table 2 column name. And full join. Full join means it will be written the all records from matched from either left table or right table. Syntax for full join means now we are using syntax for full join. Select column name from table 1, full name table 2. So that's about joins. Thank you. For more videos to subscribe SP Global Solutions.